Kun GO Lesson 17 TUB'dha. GO Lesson 17 TUB miidiyaa milkoomina dhaloota egereedhaaf hojjetu. Isinis barattoota yeroon kun yeroo faayinaalii qormaata keessaniidhaaf qophooftan waan ta'eedhaaf GO Lesson 17 TUB sabiskiraayib gochuudhaan barnoota keessan ji'oogiraafii hordofuudhaan qabxii bareedaa fi boonsaa galmeessistanii gara kutaa 10tti akka darbitaniif GO Lesson 17 TUB'n milkoomina keessaniif dhama'ee hojjechaa jira. Maarree isinis GO Lesson 17 TUB'dhaaf maatii ta'uudhaan barnoota keessan qayyabadhaan affeerraa keenya like, comment, share, subscribe gochuun dagatina.
Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. The population size greater than resource consumption is A. Optimum population growth, B. Underpopulation growth, C. Overpopulation growth, D. Minimal population growth. Students, let me give you 3 seconds. Good. The answer is overpopulation. C is the correct answer. Yeroo population size irra guddaa resource consumption ta'u maal jedhamaa jedha. Kanaaf overpopulation growth jedhama. የህዝቡ ቁጥር ከተፈጥሮ ሀብት በላይ ሲሆን ምን ይባላል? overpopulation growth ይባላል። Question number 2. The amount of resource which is greater than the existing population size is A. Overpopulation growth, B. Optimum population growth, C. Underpopulation growth, D. Maximum population growth. Students, let me give you 2 seconds. The amount of resource which is greater than the existing population size is known as underpopulation growth. Yoo qabeenyi uumamaa lakkoofsa uummataa irra caale underpopulation growth jedhama. የተፈጥሮ ሀብት ከህዝቡ ቁጥር የሚበልጥ ከሆነ underpopulation growth ይባላል። Question number 3. Which of the following is the major problem of Ethiopia's soils? A. Erosion by wind, B. Erosion by running water, C. Air pollution, D. Controlling livestock population. In Ethiopia, the major problem of soil is erosion by running water. So the answer is B. Biyyoo Itoophiyaa irratti rakkoo inni cimaan dhiqama biyyoo bishaaniiti. በኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ከፍተኛ የአፈር ችግር የሚከሰተው በውሃ የሚደረገው የአፈር ጥርጊያ ነው። Question number 4. Planting trees to replace trees destroyed by deforestation refers to A. Afforestation, B. Reforestation, C. Strip cultivation, D. Intercropping. Iddoo buusuudhaaf mukeen nuyi dhaabnu maal jedhama? በተጠቀምነው ፋንታ ለመተካት የምናደርገው ደንን የማልማት ሂደት ምን ይባላል? The answer is B. Reforestation is planting trees to replace trees destroyed by deforestation. Question number 5. Of the following conservation measures, which one is appropriate to combat soil erosion in arid and semi-arid areas? Kanneen armaan gadiitti eeraman kunuunsa biyyoodhaaf taasisaman keessaa isa kamtu naannoo ho'aa fi walakkaa ho'aa gammoojjii keessatti bu'aa qabeessa ta'a? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት አፈርን የምንከባከብባቸው ዘዴዎች የትኛው በቆላና ከፊል ቆላማ አካባቢዎች ውጤታማ ይሆናል? A. Contour plowing, B. Terracing, C. Shelter belt, D. Intercropping. Students, let me give you 2 seconds. Try to answer. Good. Shelter belt is an appropriate measure to combat soil erosion in arid and semi-arid areas. naannoo gammoojjii fi ho'aa keessatti dhiqama biyyee, bubbee fi qilleensa irraa dhufu hambisuudhaaf adeemsi inni jalqabaa fi furmaata ta'u mukeewwaniin daarii qilleensi dhufuun faallaa isaatiin hiriira galchanii dhaabuudha። በቆላና ከፊል ቆላማ አካባቢዎች የአፈር ጥርጊያን ለማስቀረት የምንጠቀምበት ዘዴ ዛፎችን ረድፍ በረድፍ በመትከል የአውሎ ንፋሱን ኃይል ማዳከም ነው። ይህም ኢንስታሊንግ ሸልተር ቤልት ይባላል። pardon once. Question number 6. The practice of clearing forest land by cutting down, digging up largely in order to prepare for farming is A. Deforestation, B. Bad cultivation, C. Slash and burn, D. Overgrazing. Adeemsi lafa qonnaa bal'ifachuudhaaf jennee bosona ciruun ibiddatti qabsiisnu maal jedhama? የእርሻ መሬትን ለማስፋፋት ብለን ደንን መንጥረን እሳት የምንጭርበት ሂደት ምን ይባላል? ስላሽ እንደ በርን ይባላል። ስላሽ እንደ በርን jedhama. So the answer is C. Question number 7. Which of the following soil conservation mechanism is cheaper?
A. Terracing, B. Control livestock population in grazing, C. Check dam construction, D. Afforestation. Try to answer. Good. Control livestock population in grazing is cheaper than others. So the answer is B. Question number 8. Which of the following is not the major cause of deforestation? A. Demand for firewood, B. Demand for constructional material, C. Slash and burn practices, D. Carbon sequestration. Barattoota sababa deforestationidhaaf kan hin taane as keessaa carbon sequestration yookiin kaarbanii liqimsuu kan jedhudha. Kanaaf deebiin keenya kan ta'u D'dha jechuudha. Question number 9. Which of the following is not the factors influencing road accidents? A. Vehicle related factors, B. Road related factors, C. Road user related factors, D. Environmental related factors, E. All of the above. E. All of the above. Question number 10. Which of the following is not the characteristics of optimum population? A. High average living standard, B. Rational resource development, C. Full employment, D. Balanced demographic structure, E. None of the above. The answer is E. None of the above. Question number 11. Which of the following is the positive impact of underpopulation on resource use? A. Reduced resource depletion, B. Decline in resource production, C. Lower tax revenues, D. Workforce shortage. Barattoota lower tax revenue gibira xiqqaa kaffaluun, decline in resource production oomishtummaan xiqqaachuun, humni nama oomishuu xiqqaachuun miidhaa underpopulationiiti. Sababa uummanni xiqqaachuu irraa kan dhufu jechuudha. Reduced resource depletion garuu positiiviidha. As keessatti qabeenyi uumamaa deplete ta'u faalamu badu hin jiru jechuudha. So the answer is A. Question number 12. Which of the following is not said to be a natural factor of soil degradation? A. Topography, B. Rainfall intensity, C. Soil type, D. Slash and burn. Dhabamsiifamuu biyyoodhaaf sababa uumamaa kan hin taane isa kami? የተፈጥሮ ምክንያት ያልሆነ የቱ ነው? So slash and burn is. Question number 13. Which one of the following natural vegetation mitigation strategy is the best? A. Afforestation, B. Reforestation, C. Giving awareness and training to the local community, D. Guarding and enforcement of the law. Armaan gaditti kan hiraman keessaa faffaca'iinsa biqiloota uumamaa to'achuudhaaf gaarii kan ta'e isa kamidhaadha? So giving awareness and training to the local community is
Question number 14. Which of the following is not the goals of the Green Legacy movement of Ethiopia? A. Curbing the effects of climate change and deforestation. B. Increasing agricultural productivity. C. Enforcing transboundary conflicts. D. Preventing environmental conflicts. Rendezvous. Kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa kaayyoo diinagdee magariisaa hin ta'in isa kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት የአረንጓዴ አሻራ ዓላማ ያሉ ነው የቱ ነው? Enforcing transboundary conflict is not, but the others are the main goals of the Green Legacy movement of Ethiopia. Question number 15. Which of the following is not the conservation measures of water resources? A. Protection of watershed, forests, wetland, and key ecosystems. B. Rehabilitation and protection of natural ecosystems. C. Installing shelter belts. D. Artificial recharging of groundwater. Kanaaf kunuunsa bishaaniidhaaf sirrii kan hin taane isa kami? C. Installing shelter belt. It is better mechanism of conservation for soil in arid and semi-arid regions. Naannoo gammoojjii ho'aa keessatti biyyoo dhiqama qilleensaa irraa ittisuudhaaf kan itti fayyadamnu malee bishaaniif kan itti fayyadamnu miti siin jechuudha. Question number 16. Of the following, which people in Ethiopia are known with the practicing of terracing in order to mitigate soil erosion? A. Gamo. B. Omo. C. Konso. D. Burji. Uummanni Konsoo mala terreesingiitiin biyyoo kunuunsuu erga jalqabee muuxannoo waggaa 400 qaba. Kanaaf deebii kan ta'u Cdha jechuudha. Question number 17. Which of the following is correct about the definition of a map? A. It is a complex bulky representation of the Earth. B. It is a simplified and a diminished circular representation of the Earth. C. It is a simplified diminished plane representation of the Earth. D. It is the exact model of the Earth. Map is a simplified diminished plane representation of the Earth. So C is the correct answer. Question number 18. Which of the following is not the use of a map? Faayidaa maappii kan hin taane isa kan? A. Indicating direction. B. Knowing areas. C. Pointing the navigation routes on Earth. D. Helps to know distance. Faayidaa kaartaa kan hin taane isa kan? Indicating direction, knowing areas, helps to know distance, and indicating location are the best use of a map. So C is the answer. Question number 19. Which of the following indicates the advantage of map over globe? Faayidaa maappii kan ta'e gloobii caalaa isa kami? A. Map is a portable than globe. B. Globe is visually convenient to look different regions at the same time than a map. C. Map is expensive to produce than a globe. Globe taasifadhaa ishee kana. Okay. D. Map is not convenient to visualize all parts at the same time. Kanaaf advantage maappii kan ta'e map is portable baatanii iddootti socho'uudhaaf baay'ee mijataa kan ta'e maappiidha. So the answer is A. Question number 20. An instrument which is used to get accurate areas of both regular and irregular shaped features from a map is A. Pantograph. B. Planimeter. C. Seismograph. D. Anemometer. Students, which one is the correct answer? Deebii sirrii kan ta'e isa kami? Mee sakandii 2 isiniif kenna. Good. Planimeter is an instrument which is used to get accurate areas of both regular and irregular shaped features from the map.
chaanalii keessan Geolesson 17 Tube waan daawwattaniif galatoomaa. Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalachuun sila gobanyaachuu አመሰግናለሁ። Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu